Well, turning now to weather, Bill. I loved it today.
Yeah,
Perfect
really
temperature
nice
for me.
afternoon, right? Good morning rains, then we clear out, and now we're cooling down. In fact, DC's another cold front before we get to the weekend, and that's going to affect the Saturday and Sunday forecast. Going to recap the rainfall today, too. Show you where most of it did fall, and it was right on the money. Let's first head outside and show you what we've got on the radar. You can see that the heaviest storms are east. And in fact, from Jackson, Mississippi down to New Orleans, this is the same cold front, and these are going to be flooding rains for those communities, because I'll tell you, that's very heavy rainfall. That same front moving through here was just kind of getting its act together across San Antonio, but then spots east, it really started to gain steam and get some storms going. So watch, we'll reset things and you'll see the showers were south to north once the front came in and then pushed this east. That's where you started seeing the better thunderstorms get developed and put down bigger rainfall totals. Our rainfall totals, these are going to be estimates about 1 to 1.8. That was close to Bernie. Medina Lake, about an inch, hopefully I say, because it was real hit and miss around Medina Lake once again. 66 today's high, so the official rain gauge at San Antonio International, just a quarter of an inch. But 1 week into February, and we're already more than 1 inch of rainfall. That's really good to start out 2023. Outside tonight, skies are clear. Beautiful shot into downtown San Antonio. Temperature dropping quickly. We're already down to 46 and it feels like 42. West-northwest wind has been working on this dew point all day long. We had it in the 60s yesterday, now down into the 30s, and it'll even get a little bit lower tomorrow. Speaking of lows, already down to 37 in Kerrville, 39 at Bernie right now, 51 Uvalde, 45 Seguin, 52 at Del Rio, and 48 in Rock Springs. Overnight, I think it'll be a light freeze in Kerr County. So Kerrville, Mountain Home, maybe Comfort down to 32 for a brief moment. Light freeze, 34 Bandera, 35 Bernie. Then Helotes 37 before we go to about 40. That'll be Randolph as well, 38 Seguin and New Braunfels. So a chilly start to Thursday. But then here comes the next cold front, already dropping in near Amarillo, which is down to 35 tonight. This front will come through dry because of that 39-degree dew point I just showed you. But watch what it will deliver, huge winds. I mean, we'll get a southwest wind to warm us up tomorrow, but by 2 a.m., before the sun is up Friday, winds are over 30 miles an hour, 34 in Hondo. And then when we get into about mid-morning hours, we're going 38, 39 miles per hour. That's a tropical storm force wind for San Antonio mid-morning Friday that'll last through Friday afternoon. All right, 7-day forecast. We're going with about 70 for tomorrow's high. I think there will be some patchy fog, but let's rodeo San Antonio. 40 degrees to start the day, then some 30-degree mornings are waiting for us on Friday, about 38. And Friday stays chilly, only 56 for the high, and it's going to be a windy Friday, so that'll feel like about 50. And then on Saturday morning, a light freeze, 37 Sunday morning, 62 for Super Bowl Sunday. And then the rain chance again, this is another front coming in, 40 to 70% by Monday night, clearing out for Valentine's.
All right, thanks so much, Bill.